Hello everybody, welcome to the show. This is AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with a weekly news wrap-up where I go over key points and how we're going to set up our trading for the upcoming week. So let's jump right into it. We're on investing.com, and on investing.com our trade that we've been doing long term is the euro dollar. Now the euro dollar is looking at doing a pullback right now and might have another weekly up during this month bar. But I think overall it might head down to this major support. With the dollar gaining more strength and the euro going through all its craziness, it might actually come out to this point. If not, we got some pips from up all the way over here down to here, but we will review on more throughout the week since we have upcoming holidays. So here's oil. Now last week's weekly news wrap up, I was going over what our plan is for oil, and our plan is still the same, is to get on that bull. And the last few days for this week, we had some great profits, especially when it comes to this move. So this is what we're looking at right now, and this is where we were. This is where I was telling people to buy, and this is where I'm currently still in that buy. And I was telling people that when it comes up to here, the target is up to here. Yeah, if it plans out to that area, there's gonna be multiple key points. We're gonna do some re-entries. If it doesn't happen, then it doesn't happen. So we will just plan out the way we go from day to day. But that's the overall perspective for oil. And I'm going to check some oil news to make sure that we're not getting into the wrong trend. Now here's gold, and one of my favorites in the trade. And gold did a little bit of correction down. Now right now we're on this month that's not holding so much. Well, we will check it out when we go to the weekly. And now there's a small correction within this. So it might hold this, it might not. We shall see. But if it does, we'll take that as a long-term short off these pullbacks. All right, here's silver. Now silver has made a little bit more of a stronger correction right here. We'll check it on the weekly. Oh, these ads. And it's a little bit volatile everywhere. So I'll say be a little bit more careful on silver, but head better on oil. I mean oil and gold seem like safer trades. So we're going to look at the news right now. So we're going to look at yen. So the yen and the CAD and US and the dollar all have bank holidays. So we're typically going to trade Monday and Sunday and just avoid those days and take the days off. Because when the banks take a holiday, just take a holiday. And now we have China with some red news, New Zealand. But if you look at CAD and USD, core retail sales month to month, and we have retail sales. There's the pound, and who else is the governor Carney speaks, so we'll check it out. Australian unemployment. I don't really trade Australian pairs so much, so it's just something to look at even more. Now this is a Philly Fed manufacturing index, is big crude oil inventory. So for us who's trading oil, we're trading oil on for the week. We want to be very aware about that. And China is coming out with their GDP quarterly, yearly. We're on oilprice.com right now, and we're going over some of the oils around the world and looking at the prices. So please check out this website. Very, very good. Very, very helpful, especially when it comes to investing in oil. Let's check out some oil news. So yeah, huge independence refiner prepares for revolutionizing the markets. And Tesla's hydrogen car. That's actually pretty interesting. And wow, oil thieves cause fire in Nigerian oil block. That is interesting. So here's a lot of news when it comes to oil. Check those out. I usually, when I find something like really, really big, I'll read about it. But there's only one news on Zero Hedge that I went out and actually wanted to go see, because it actually kind of like really will piss me off to a point where like I would just go through other means basically. But when I saw this about this Trump supporter spitting on people's faces, I was like, oh heck no, that's not real. No one's spitting in people's faces just because of political view, right? And yes. So I went to YouTube and actually found this out, and
another heated exchange.
So important.
Like, it's crazy that people would go out their way spitting on people just because they have a different political view. Come on, guys. I mean, we're all adults. If people have a different view, respect their view, and if you can't have a calm, casual conversation, move on. But craziness. But our last one for the news would be the housing market. As pointed recession by election day. And there's some people talking about this recession. I always talk about the recessions coming up, prepare for it, trade for it, And this would be the best wealth transfer that you ever make if you prepare for it. But those are my other videos. This is the weekly news wrap up. Check out this news. And my last thing is my home website. So guys, check out my home website. Basically, if you want to learn how to trade, we got stocks information, forex information, and this is how it looks for the overview for the front page. And this is how the stocks come out. We're adding a couple videos for forex and educational and stocks. So if you guys are looking to have some more financial intelligence, please click here. And that's it, guys. Have a wonderful week. Stay safe trading. Protect your money. Protect your money. Protect your money. All right. See you on the flip side.